Hi everyone, my name is Prabha. I'm one of the OET aspirants. Today, first of all, I would like to thank Father Saleen Joseph for giving me such a wonderful opportunity to share my learning experience. Today, I'm going to discuss about FANBOYS. What is FANBOYS? FANBOYS helps you remember 7 coordinating conjunctions. F for because, A for and gives information, N for nor gives negative idea, B for but contrast, O for or gives a choice, Y for yet contrast, S for so result. So today we'll see how we can use them in OET. They join two complete sentences or ideas. The patient has asthma and she experiences shortness of breath. So, he developed a fever. So, the antibiotics were prescribed. Or, she can take the medications orally or it can be given intravenously. Yet, he followed the treatment plan, yet his symptoms persisted. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next time with next episode. Thank you once again.